Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's talk about none other than our good old friend Kaspa. We're going to discuss what's happening with Kaspa's price and of course what is yet to come. And if you're enjoying these updates, you guys know what to do by smashing that like button and hitting that red subscribe button. But tomorrow a very important day. A lot of anticipation regarding the rate cut happening. So let's see what happens. Bitcoin is reacting in a really positive way going into Wednesday morning, sitting above $60,000, and dominance went through the roof. But despite that fact, you're still seeing a lot of coins turning back into the green. As far as Kaspa is concerned, it's currently sitting at 17.15 cents, down about 3.7% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is at about 4.23 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about $44.6 million. Well, let's take a closer look and see what is happening. Before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So first and foremost, just take a look at what's happening with the dominance index. Exactly what we have been anticipating over the course of the last few days. You're seeing the dominance index picking up a very fast. Once again, a new yearly high, something I've been emphasizing on the channel. Might sound like a broken record, but you guys are starting to understand how important the dominance index really is. And right now, this is kind of impacting altcoins because of course, you are seeing some coins up right now over the past 24 hours, but majority of the market is not in green. So you're seeing majority of the market actually lagging behind Bitcoin right now because of course the dominance is skyrocketing. So obviously a lot of anticipation that if the rate cut does happen, people are expecting that Bitcoin will make its way back above all-time highs, obviously gradually. And again, that is also a huge catalyst for the dominance going this high. But if you're looking at Bitcoin specifically, you're looking at Bitcoin's price is sitting above the psychological key resistance. So we had a clear fake out, and I indicated this over the weekend that obviously manipulation is occurring. We do tend to see whales try to come and shake out the weak hands. All these longs that were piling up, and pretty much you could see that wipeout did occur, and you're seeing the market picking up where it left off. So what is this telling you? This is telling you don't want to be leverage trading. I've said this literally thousands of times on the channel, and I'll say it again. Leverage trading will wipe you out, and due to the fact that there's so much manipulation. So you could see this for yourself. Anyone that got liquidated, I hope not, but that just comes with leverage trading, and you're seeing your positions pretty much going back to where they were. So this is why spot trading is the best thing to do. So pretty much if you're new to the channel, I would strongly encourage you guys to stay away from futures platforms. Don't fall for these bonus tips and whatever the case that may be. Just stay away. Spot trade, I think that is the best thing to do. But looking at Kaspa's price right now, you guys can see Kaspa is making up moves back towards the upside, towards the key resistance level. Right now, of course, I did indicate to you guys that we are seeing, now you guys are probably very confused, especially the newcomers. You're probably thinking, hey, Crypto ZX, why is the price of Kaspa not breaking towards the yearly high as to what we saw just a few days ago? But now we're seeing Bitcoin sitting higher than where it was just a few days ago. But the reason as to why that is the case is because Bitcoin dominance is much higher than what it was a few days ago. So a lot of momentum, a lot of money is shifting from altcoins into Bitcoin, and the best way to kind of get that indication is just based off of looking at the Bitcoin dominance index right now. But important thing is that we're back above the key resistance going into the FOMC meeting, which we will have some details as we wake up tomorrow. Are we going to see a rate cut? If yes, I do expect that maybe a little bit of a sell the news event could take place. A lot of people can come and say that we've already seen the sell the news event take place because we did see the retest down to 57.8k, but I still think that can happen. But I do believe we'll start heading towards these levels that we haven't seen since August 24th. So looking at the price of Kaspa, you can pretty much see where we're finding a little bit of a hard time breaking out of that same exact resistance. We actually did see a wick back above there just a few hours ago, but never managed to stay above there. So starting to understand how important that resistance really is. Of course, right now you're seeing a little bit of a lag within Kaspa because of course Bitcoin is outpacing a majority of the market, and Kaspa is not outpacing BTC right now. And we can kind of feel that just based off of looking at the chart, because let's face it, this is not a major move. This does not require 30, 20, 10% move in order for the price of Kaspa to get back above here. It's maybe like a 3 to 4% move, but you're still having a hard time seeing that close back above that key resistance. And a huge reason for that is because dominance index is sitting quite high, and I'm sure a lot of people are starting to understand the importance of the dominance index, which I've been emphasizing on my channel literally from day one. So obviously it's really important for the price to stay above there, but we cannot ignore what's happening with the broader market. But so far so good. We at least are retesting this key resistance. I'm very confident that if Bitcoin as a whole does start heading towards yearly highs, I do believe Kaspa is going to be one of the projects that is going to thrive based off of historic price patterns that we have seen. Let me know down below what you guys think. So far so good. Of course, we want it to be back above this key resistance, but we need to take it one step at a time. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you tomorrow. It's in Crypto ZX, and peace out.